Good day everyone, especially to our professor. Ma'am, good day po. My name is Alwad Sigapol Ibrahim from BTB TED 3D major in electrical technology. The topic is all about tools, equipment, machineries and their function, drafting civil technology. First is drafting and design technology. It's a college training program to prepare students for creating technical drawings for a career. Drafting and design students learn how to designing objects interrelates with initial and completed drawings for their creation. It is a training program in college where students are trained how to do some drawing, design on anything connected with drafting. Katulad sa ating ngayon, isa sa mga subjects natin ay tinuturuan tayong mag-drawing or tinatalakay sa atin ang drafting, di ba? Tools and materials, machineries and their uses. Drawing paper. From making artistic drawings to heavy structural drawings, drawing paper is vital. In making any kind or different kinds of drawing, the drawing paper is important. Not for making hand drawings only but also to print a hard copy of digital drawings, drawing paper is needed. Kahit anong klaseng drawing pa ang gagawin natin, laging kailangan ang drawing paper. Examples: A. Bond paper, B. Glass coated paper, C. Matte coated paper, D. Recycled paper, E. Silk coated paper, F. Uncoated paper, G. Watermark paper. Masking tape. This tape stick the drawing paper on the drawing board. Ginagamit ang tape na ito upang idikit ang drawing paper sa drawing table. This tape is soft and doesn't harm the drawing paper and table of if appropriately handled. The textures of this tape as soft, kaya hindi masisira ang drawing paper natin at table natin kung tama ang paggamit. Pencil sharpener. A pencil sharpener is a mechanical gadget used for sharpening pencils. A pencil sharpener. Basically, alam naman natin ang paggamit ng sharpener, di ba? It is to sharpen our pencil o gawin matulis ang tip ng pencil. Ano lang. Next is eraser. An eraser is used to clean the unwanted drawings or dirt of the drawings. From the word eraser, pambura ng mga di kailangan or mga mali sa drawing natin. A soft eraser is used to remove smudges and pencil marks, whereas a harder eraser is used for making changes and correcting errors in the drawing. So kapag sasabihin ang soft eraser, meaning ito ay malambot siya. Kapag sasabihin naman natin is hard meaning matigas siya. Matigas na eraser. A soft eraser, para burahin ang mga kaunting di kailangan na pencil marks, we use the soft eraser. Habang hard eraser naman, if gusto natin baguhin ang drawing. Drawing pencil. Drawing pencil is an essential tool in drawing as it is used for making drawings on paper. So, napaka-importante ng drawing pencil. Ito ang ginagamit upang gumuhit ng drawing sa drawing paper. For drafting, graphite pencil is commonly used. Graphite pencil ang kadalasan gamit ng drawing pencil para sa drafting. The grade of a pencil depends on the type of works. So ito naka-base sa klase ng drawing ang gagamiting drawing pencil. Hard pencils are used where extreme accuracy is required, especially working on graphs, diagrams, and charts. EG2H pencil 4H pencil, 6H pencil, and etc. So, hard pencil, ginagamit ang hard pencils sa mga matatrabahong drawing tulad ng mga graphs, diagrams, and charts. So examples, 2H pencil, 4H pencil, and search pencil, and etc. So medium pencils are used for general purpose work in drawing, e.g. HB pencil. So para naman sa mga general purpose in drawing, ginagamit ang medium pencils. Example, HB pencils. So soft pencils are to be used in mechanical drafting. They are beneficial for artwork of various kinds. E.g. 2B pencil, 4B pencil, and 6B pencil, and etc. So soft pencil are used for artwork and various kind of drawing, pero hindi pwede para sa mechanical drawing. Bakit kaya? So alamin na lang natin sa susunod na balita. Triangular scales, a tool generally used when reproducing a drawing in an enlarged or reduced form to some regular proportion. To produce drawing in an enlarged or reduced form to some regular proportion, we need to use triangular scale. Its primary function is to reproduce the measurements of an object in full size, reduced size, and enlarged size. Ang pangunahing gamit ng triangular scale ay magbigay ng sukat ng object sa ating drawing, either full size ng object, bawasan ang size, or talakihin. Erasing shade. This is prepared of thin metal or plastic with irregular holes. Ang erasing shade ay gawa sa manipis na metal or plastic na may iba't ibang hugis ng butas. It is helpful to save the rest of the drawing when removing smudges, needles, pencil lines, and other dust. Ginagamit ang eraser shade upang di mabura ang ibang drawing. Kapag gumagamit ng eraser para burahin ang mga unwanted pencil marks. Next is T-square. T-square is a drawing instrument used when making horizontal lines. Ginagamit ng T-square para gumagawa ng horizontal lines sa drawing. It is also used for guiding triangles when drawing vertical lines and perpendicular lines with the help of a set square. Ginagamit din ito upang gawing gabay sa paggawa ng vertical line and perpendicular lines sa tulong ng set squares. It is made of wood, plastic, or a combination. Gawa ito sa kahoy, plastic, or combination ng kahoy ng plastic. Example, A. Fixed head T-square. B. Movable head or adjustable head T-square. So, detachable head or removable head T-square. Next is triangular scales. It is a three-side ruler which contains two equal sides intersecting at a 90-degree angle and the third side at 45/30 including 60-degree angles. A type of ruler na may equal side intersecting with 90-degree angle. Then yung pangatlong side, ito ay 45/30 including 60-degree angles. Commonly used triangles are A. 30 degrees times 60 degrees and B. 45 degrees times 45 degrees. Ano lang. Next is compass. A compass is a drawing instrument used to draw arcs and circles. It is utilized in the same way as a divider. Ginagamit ang compass para gumawa ng areas at circle sa drawing. Ginagamit din ito bilang divider. It is made of two legs, i.e. a pen leg and a needle point leg, being held together with a handle. Meron din itong dalawang leg, namely pen leg and needle point leg, and magkadikit. Next is divider. It is utilized when moving measurements, dividing lines and arcs into a given number of equal parts. Ginagamit ito to move measurement line, panghati ng lines, arcs sa pagkaparehong sukat. It can quickly move accurate measurements by adjusting the divider points. Madaling ito makaayos ng measurement sa pag-adjust lamang ng divider points. Protractor. A semicircular instrument is divided into 180 equal parts, each called a degree. A shape ng protractor ay semicircular na may 180 equal parts na tinatawag na degree bawat part. It is utilized to calculate gradations of the degrees when measuring arcs, angles, and circles. Ginagamit itong panukat ng degrees ng arcs, angles, and circles. Next is drafter. Drafters are used for preparing technical drawings and plans. So, ginagamit ito sa paghahanda ng technical drawings and plans. Drafter is utilized in making technical drawings to design everything from microchips to skyscrapers. Ginagamit ang drafter sa paggawa ng technical drawing parts sa design mula sa microchips hanggang sa skyscrapers. Next is drawing table. The drawing table is made up of wood, plastic, or glass and has a smooth surface where drawing paper is placed and fixed with the help of tape. Sa drawing table, ilagay ang drawing paper na ginagamit sa pagdrawing. Drafting lamps. A drafting lamp is a very beneficial product for an engineer or architect. These lamps consist of adjustable arms and use fluorescent, halogen, or LED light bulbs. Drafting lamps ay may adjustable arms and fluorescent, halogen, or LED light bulbs. With the help of drafting lamps, we can do our work at night, which helps us focus on a particular section at night. Malaking tulong ang drafting lamps sa paggawa ng drawing sa gabi, sa madilim na gabi o madilim na lugar. Next is magnifying glass. A magnifying glass is used to closely watch the small components in the drawing that are less visible to our eyes. Ginagamit ang magnifying glass upang makita ang mga maliliit na bagay sa drawing na di masyadong nakikita ng ating mata. O tama, example sa mga sa mga pagsusulat natin ng mga letra, di ba? Kung hindi masyadong makita natin, mas okay pag gumagamit na lang tayo ng magnifying glass para sure na sure. Electric erasers. Electric erasers are handy to remove or erase the tiny lines and borders in drawing more accurately. Another type of eraser, kung saan ito ay ginagamit na pamura ng mga maliliit na lines at borders sa drawing. There is less chance of making drawing paper dirty with an electric eraser, which saves a lot of time for the user. Mas makatipid sa oras at naiiwasang maging madumi lang ang drawing. kapag electric eraser ang gamit natin, guys. French curve. A French curve is a drawing instrument composed of several curves and is commonly made from wood, plastic, or metal. Ang French curve ay kadalasang gawa sa kahoy, metal at plastic. Ito ay may iba't ibang curve at isang instrumentong ginagamit sa drawing class. It is used for making perfect curves. It is used in both artistic drawings as well as in technical drawings. French curve. French curve sets. French curve set. Burmester set commonly consists of 3 curves. Bottom curve is mainly utilized for hyperbolas. Smaller curve in the middle is used for ellipses. Large one curve is used for parabolas. Blueprint measuring tool. Blueprint measuring equipment is prepared for architects and engineers for their work. It simplifies takeoffs from architectural and engineering drawings because it can calculate the linear measurements of any shape. Ang blueprint measuring equipment ay ginawa para sa mga architect at engineers. Ginagamit ito upang kalkulahin ang linear measurements na kahit anong klaseng hugis pa at shape, ganun. That's all, class. Thank you. Thank you so much and God bless. Bye-bye.